Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go. Too many attempts, try again later. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go, too many attempts, try again later. You should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Monopoly Go. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. When you will end all these steps, you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.